That's because it got a check engine light. Yep. We'll talk about it.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see the cars. I got my boy Prince Q50. You know, Fast Life Prince on YouTube. Got my boy Vaughn Hilton on Gram. Vaughn Hilton on the YouTube too. Hey, let me know which one y'all like more. Put a black heart down in the comments for the black Q50, a white heart for the white Q50, and a blue heart for the blue. What's it called again? Oh, it's a Hellcat, a blue Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Whichever one you like more, let me know, right? But we're going for a drive right now, man. Archers, you know, the best angle of my problematic Hellcat. Look, you see what it says? Oil pressure low. It's not low. This car's been at the dealership for 5 days, man, and they're telling me about transmission. They're telling me about drive shaft. If you guys want to see a video on the problems I've been having with this Hellcat, because I've owned it for 3 weeks and one of those weeks it's been at the dealership, so if you want to see a video with the problems I'm having with it, let me know. But this video is just strictly POV drive. You know, I got a SRT twice. They say not to put it in track because it can mess up the transmission. Sport, traction fully off. And we're gonna go for the drive, man. Yes, sir. Y'all roll out first, yeah. Cause that boy in the queue, man. Oh shit. How he ain't rubbing that thing low as hell. Yo, it look like it's touching. Look at Q. That's them low boys, man. But yeah, if you hear that ding, it's saying the oil pressure is low, but as I said, it's not. But I'll explain that in the next video, explaining everything about this shit. But for now, enjoy this POV. We're gonna try to go crazy. It might be a little bit of traffic, so we ain't gonna go too crazy. But we're gonna do our little thing, our little thing. Did you record it? You know I'm making a U-turn and you don't record. Yo, that shit look nice? Yeah, it was nice. I brought it down with some smoke. Yours look like his. Yeah? His was clean. Yo, my boy, yo, go subscribe to Fast Life Prince to see his, man, because I didn't see it. Yo, guys, I'm saying, you see that kick out that I just did? Go watch his channel, you'll see that shit.
Bro, how far we cross that?
It's right down the street.
I want to learn how to shoot my shit right now.
What's good? Hey, thank you. Subscribe to the limits. All right, my boy. Bro, I saw you spinning. You went like this.
Bro, I told you I got no grip.
Hey, look at the bikes, dog. But yeah, guys, you saw how it came up with what's that, IC coolant level low. That was the first thing that it came up with few days after I bought this shit, and I floored it, pressed on it for the first time, like held it down for a minute, came up with that, and I was like, what do you mean coolant level low? So I came out, check it, right, brought it to Elder, which if you're in South Florida, man, you got to go to Elder, because Elder help us out all the time. Loop shop, it's down there right at Southgate and 441. That's when we're in Florida, because you know most of the time we in Mexico. So I came back to Florida, brought it to Elder, and he was like, nah, man, all the fluids are good, you know, everything looked good. Brought it to the dealership, everything is also good, right? Because Ella know what he doing. But I brought it there just in case they got warranty, right? And they said everything is good. If the light, and it brought up a check engine light, which if well, when you start driving and the RPM move, you'll see it. Yeah, start driving right now. Oh, it's gonna scrape. Oh, scrape. But by the way, these tires look at 50. 50 move, let me see the speed. Alright, 55. As I said, this is when we come to Mexico. When we come to Mexico, you can see that this thing is hella fast. Yo, this shit is fast as fuck. I'll just go down to the light, bro. Look, you hear that sound? That's the next issue. Sounds like exhaust hanging and touching, right? But in the next video, I'll tell you what they said that sound is. Which, I know it has a few problems, but the guy told me I can still beat on it. Because hopefully, shit get approved by Mopar and they just come fix it. If it doesn't get approved by Mopar, I'm just gonna sell it, man, honestly. But that's for next video. Just enjoy this POV in the meanwhile. Now we blew past where we were supposed to stop, not gonna lie, but I had to show you all that speed real quick. Oh, gas mileage 69. Imagine think that's my favorite number, you know. Okay, ladies. All right. Lights about to change, lights about to change. Lights about to light up. Not gonna do it right here though. Oh, they ain't coming this side. Alright, so if you guys did enjoy this video, slap a thumbs up. I'm gonna give y'all one last supercharger one with the windows up. Yo, not gonna lie, doing this shit always makes me happy, man. That's why we have these cars, to be happy, right? If I floor right now, it's just gonna spin. So I buy these cars to be happy. Let's park up. As I said, if you guys enjoy this video, slap a thumbs up. Remember to drop a comment which one you like, the blue car, the white car, or the black car. If you can't bother typing out white, blue, or you know, black, just comment a black picture, a black heart, a black circle. Do something. I don't know if you guys ever heard it with this from the front with it revving, so I'm gonna make one of them hop in and rev it. But hey, man, we're in sport transmission, all that, traction fully off. The lights, as I said, it's not really anything to worry about. At the same time, it is. So watch the next video if you want to find out why this shit got a check engine light, why you heard that clunk clunk sound, and why it keeps on coming up with damn shit on the screen that is not needed. Okay, so watch the next video for that. In the meanwhile, hope you guys enjoy this one. Subscribe to the boys, follow the boys, Yeah, man, that's the Hellcat. Yo, Vaughn, come rev it. Open the bonnet first, okay? You should know how to do that. Yeah. Oh, them pops. Hey, man, go subscribe, like, comment down below. Check out the boys' channels. As I said, man, they about to do some spinny bits, so definitely go check out their channels if you want to see the spinny bits. Until the next one, man. Bye-bye. Okay. All right, Jim, man. Go on, man. Go down, man. Go down and make a U-turn.